Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of the Opportunity Spotted for the day. If you're not subscribed yet, do it now. Every single day we bring you one real opportunity, one real trade, real numbers. No hype, no noise, just the insights that matter. Hit subscribe and don't miss a single one. Today I'm coming back on a trade I already have on, Broadcom, AVGO, and I'm not just staying in this trade, I'm doubling down because since my last video on this, a new signal just appeared on the chart that makes me even more confident in my bearish view. And when the market gives you extra confirmation, you don't ignore it, you act on it. Let me show you exactly what I see. Go to TradingView and pull up AVGO on the daily chart. The first thing I want you to notice is the overall structure. Since April, Broadcom made an insane run from $290 all the way up to $442 in a matter of weeks. Parabolic, vertical, completely extended from any reasonable level. And now look at what happened after that peak at 442. The price started forming a very specific pattern, a pattern that every technical analyst knows, a pattern that has one meaning and one meaning only: reversal. It's a head and shoulders, and it's textbook. Here's how you read it. The left shoulder formed around April 24th. The price pushed up to around $420 and then pulled back. Then came the head. The highest point of the entire move around May 7th, where AVGO hit $442. That's the top, the absolute peak, and then the price pulled back again. And then it tried one more time the right shoulder around May 19th. And this time the price only made it back to 420. It couldn't reach 442 anymore. The buyers tried 3 times, and each time they had less energy, less conviction, less firepower. That right there is the definition of a market that is running out of buyers. Now look at the neckline. That horizontal support level sitting at $412 to $414. The price has touched it multiple times between the shoulders and the head. That is the line in the sand. The moment AVGO closes convincingly below 412, the head and shoulders is confirmed. And what comes after confirmation is a measured move to the downside. Here's the math. The head is at 442. The neckline is at 412. The difference is $30. You project that $30 below the neckline. That gives you a target of $382. And my personal target is even lower, $350. Because below 382 sits a major consolidation zone from March, and that's where I expect the real buyers to finally step back in. Now look at the RSI at the bottom of the chart. This is the confirmation that seals everything for me. When AVGO was making its highs in early May, pushing toward 442, the RSI was already declining. The price was going up, but the momentum was going down. That is a classic bearish divergence. The engine was already losing power before the car started slowing down. And now the RSI is at 53 and falling. It crossed below its signal. Now let's go to interactive brokers and I'll show you exactly how I'm doubling down on this trade. I already have a short call position on AVGO from my previous video. The thesis was simple: false breakout above resistance, price extended from the moving average, RSI rolling over. That trade is already working, and now with the head and shoulders appearing, I have a second reason to be in this trade. So I'm adding to my position. Here's what the option chain looks like right now on AVGO for September 2026. That's 119 days out. And before I show you the strikes, look at one number that jumped out at me immediately. The implied volatility is at 52.7%, and the fall rank is at 82%. That means options on AVGO are historically expensive right now. The market is pricing in a lot of uncertainty. And for someone who is selling options, that is the best possible environment. You are selling expensive premium. Every dollar of fall that comes back down goes directly into your pocket. Also notice the put/call ratio sitting at 1.13. More puts than calls are being bought. The smart money is already positioning for a drop. And option volume is up 70% today. 209,000 contracts traded. Something is happening on AVGO right now, and the big players are moving. Now the strikes. I'm looking at the September 2026 expiration, 119 days. Here's what I see. The strike 430 has a bid of $41.90. That means if I sell this call, I collect $4,190 per contract immediately. AVGO needs to stay below 430 for me to keep everything. With the price at 414, right now I have $16 of buffer. And given that the head and shoulders is forming with a target of 350, the probability of AVGO going back above 400 and staying there is very low in my view. The strike 420 has a bid of $46.15. That's $4,615 per contract. More premium but less buffer, only $6 above the current price. My choice for the double down is the strike 430 expiring September 26. Here's why. I already have exposure on the 420 strike from my previous trade. By selling the 430 call, I add a second layer at a higher strike, more buffer, still collecting over $4,000 in premium. And if AVGO drops to my target of 350, both positions expire worthless and I keep everything. To cap my risk, I'm buying the 450 call as protection. This turns the position into a bear call spread. My net premium after the hedging is approximately $3,800 to $4,000. My maximum loss is capped, and my maximum profit is collecting that full premium if AVGO stays below 430 through September. Here's how you execute this on Interactive Brokers. Search for AVGO. Go to Options, select September 18, 2026 expiration. Find the 430 strike in the calls column, right-click, select Sell. Set quantity to however many contracts you want. Set order type to limit. Use the midpoint between bid and ask around $42.30. Hit Submit. Then repeat the process for the 450 call, but this time select Buy. That's your protection leg. You are now in a bear call spread on AVGO expiring September 2026. So let me bring the whole picture together. AVGO at $414, a head and shoulders pattern fully formed on the daily chart with a neckline at 412. A bearish RSI divergence confirming the loss of momentum. Implied volatility at 82nd percentile, meaning options are historically expensive, perfect environment to sell. And a measured move target of $350 on the downside. I already had a bearish position on this from my last video. The head and shoulders just gave me the second confirmation I needed. So I'm doubling down, selling the 430 call September 2026, buying the 430 call for protection, collecting approximately $4,000 in net premium per spread. My target remains $330. If AVGO gets there, both my positions expire worthless and I keep every dollar of premium collected on both trades. That's the plan. Yes, I can be wrong. If AVGO reverses and breaks above 442 with conviction, the head and shoulders is invalidated and I reassess. That's why you always have a plan B, and that's why I bought the 450 call as protection. Risk is managed, downside is capped, but the setup is too clean to ignore. The pattern is there. The RSI confirms it. The smart money is already buying puts, and the premium I'm collecting is historically high. Everything is aligned. This is not financial advice. This is my personal trade, my personal analysis for educational purposes only. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose entirely. If this was useful, subscribe, hit the bell. Every single day a new opportunity just like this one. Real chart, real trade, real execution. See you tomorrow.